What is cloud computing? It doesn't mean computers are on cloud. It's actually on a safe, secure location. We call it as a data centers. Cloud computing is an on-demand delivery of IT resources. We need a laptop and internet connection to access it. We pay for what we use. Means, if you don't want to use IT resources before 8 am or after 5 pm or during a weekend, just delete the IT resources once you use it. And whenever you require it, just create it via automation. There is no CAPEX or OPEX cost involved here. Means no need to buy and maintain servers. For your business need, you wanted to run a promotion and you expect a large traffic during this period. Just increase a cloud IT resource for this promotion period. Once promotion is over, just decrease your IT resources.